Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate your project on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut, and then in here you can see the project that you want to edit, and then for the duplicate your project, it's so pretty easy. You just click on a three dots icon in here, and then in here you just click on the duplicate. Click on it, and the duplicate project has been duplicate. This the name of the copy like this, and then so that how to duplicate your project on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.